Hello everyone, I am Vinay Singh and welcome to Power BI Learning Series. In previous video, we saw how all function of DAX works. So basically, whenever I want a filter or a slicer should not work on a measure, I use a all function. And if you remember from the previous video, this is the table that I got. So for each of my sales rep, I have my total sales made by them. And this is the total sales irrespective of the filter. And finally, this was my desired outcome, which was percentage of sales by each of my rep. Now, here I have one filter over here, which is for regions. So each of my reps they belong to different regions. Okay. Now let's see whenever I apply such filter, what happens. So let's say I clicked on central. So these are my 6 different rep from central region. Now, if you look at the total denominator column, it is still showing me 19,627. Whereas, had it shown me 11,100, it would have been great. And as a result, the summation of percentage of sales would have been 100%, which is 56% as of now. So in such a scenario, I can use all selected function. Now let's see how this can be done. So I go to new measure. Again, before I calculate the percentage of sales, first I'm making a new column which will give me the common denominator for that particular region. So let's say I'm calling it as total all selected denominator. Okay, and like before, I'll use a calculate function. My expression would be total sales. All right, in filter I'll type in all selected. Okay, here I will give sales table as my argument. Okay, because this region filter is coming from sales table only, so I have given sales, which is the name of a table, as my argument, and I just press enter. Now I'm just dragging this the new measure which we just created. Okay, and finally I can create a new measure which should give me percentage of total sales for that particular region only. So I'm calling it as percentage sales all selected, and again I'm using a divide function. This time the numerator will be total sales and the denominator will be total all selected denominator. Okay, and I'm converting it into a percentage and finally just dragging it. So now if you see, for central region, because I have selected central over here, the total sales made were 11,000 odd, out of which Alex made 2,800 in sales, and as a result the percentage of sales is 45%, which is 2,800 divided by 11,000. And if I compare sales of Alex to the total sales of all regions combined, that is 14.33%. So this is the difference between all and all selected. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button. Thank you.